Verifying your bank account on Mulesoft is an important process to ensure secure transactions and data integrity. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Log into Mulesoft account. Access your Mulesoft account by entering your credentials on the Mulesoft login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage bank account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled bank account or payment information to begin the verification process. Step 3. Enter bank account details. Input your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Double-check the accuracy of the information to avoid any errors during verification. Step 4. Submit verification requests. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once your request is submitted, wait for Mulesoft to process the verification. You will receive a confirmation notification via email or through the platform once your bank account has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will ensure your bank account is verified on Mulesoft, allowing you to proceed with secure transactions. If you encounter any issues, consult Mulesoft support resources for assistance.